Hi my dear kids, welcome back to my channel. I am back again with another video on the topic Light, Sound and Force of your science book. This video includes all the important fill-in of the chapter Light, Sound and Force. Kids, if you practice all the fill-in from this video, I am sure you can also solve out all the MCQ questions very easily. So, let's start the video. My dear kids, the fill in the blanks are arranged numerically. So, let us start with number 1 fill in. Number 1, the speed of light in vacuum is around 3 lakh km per second. Number 2, sun is a natural source of light. Number 3, plants cannot make their food without sunlight. That means plants need sunlight to survive. Number 4, all objects that produce light are called luminous objects. Number 5, light helps us to see things. That means without light we cannot see. Number 6, luminous objects may be natural or man-made. Number 7, objects which do not produce light are called opaque objects. Number 8, light travels in a straight line. Number 9, when an opaque object comes in the way of a light, a shadow is formed. Number 10, the earth revolves or moves around the sun. Number 11, the moon revolves around the earth. That is, moon is a natural satellite of the planet Earth. Number 12, a solar eclipse occurs when the moon comes between the earth and the sun. Number 13, a lunar eclipse occurs when the earth comes between the moon and the sun. Number 14, the scientific study of sound waves is called acoustics. Number 15, sound cannot travel through vacuum. Number 16, our vocal cords help us to make sounds. Number 17, sound is produced when something moves back and forth very fast. This kind of movement is called vibrations. Number 18, all kinds of sound that we hear are produced because of vibrations. That means vibrations help us to hear the sound. Number 19, sound can be pleasant or unpleasant. Number 20, loud and unpleasant sounds are called noise. Number 21, too much noise is bad for health. Number 22, we must speak softly. That is, our voice should be very soft spoken so that it does not hurt our ears. Number 23, a pull or push is called force. Number 24, force can change the shape of an object. Number 25, the earth pulls objects towards its center. Number 26, this pull is called the gravitational force or gravity. Kids, do share your valuable comments of how did you like the video. And if you like it, hit a like, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel for more updates. Thanks for watching and keep learning.